me kids, what does the duck say?
Wow, wow, wow!
What does the duck say? Meow, meow. What does the duck say? Help me kids, what does the duck say?
Quack, quack, quack!
Yes! Quack, quack, quack.
What does the T-Rex say? Oink, oink, oink. No! What does the T-Rex say? Wow! No! No! Help me, kids! What does the T-Rex say? Yes! Where is my nose? I just don't know. Can't find my nose. Where is my nose? Without my nose, I'm indisposed. Can't smell a rose or food odor. Is that my nose? Let's try that nose. Is this my nose? Is this a joke? The nose I chose is not my nose. Can't smell a rose or food odor. Where is my nose? I just don't know. Can't find my nose. Where is my nose? Without my nose, I'm indisposed. Can't smell a rose or food odor. Is that my nose? Let's try that nose. Is this my nose? Is this a joke? The nose I chose is not my nose. Can't smell a rose or food odor. Where is my nose? I just don't know. Can't find my nose. Where is my nose? Without my nose, I'm indisposed. Can't smell a rose or food odor. Where is my nose? I just don't know. Can't find my nose. Where is my nose? Without my nose, I'm indisposed. Can't smell a rose or food odor. Oh, I won't ever find my nose. What? Is that my nose? Is that my nose? Let's try that nose. Is this my nose? I found my nose. The nose I chose, it is my nose. This is my nose.
I'm a superhero, I can save the world. I can solve problems, I will stand strong. I'm a superhero each and every day. Every time you need me, I'll be there.
I always tell the truth. I always try to learn. My words are always kind. I'm almost always brave.
I'm a superhero, I can save the world. I can solve problems, I will stand strong. I'm a superhero each and every day. Every time you need me, I'll be there.
My room is always clean. I try to take care of me. I love to listen to my friends. And I can ask for help. A superhero also has to know when to ask for help.
I'm a superhero, I can save the world. I can solve problems, I will stand strong. I'm a superhero each and every day. Every time you need me, I'll be there.
I'm feeling a little sad, Shaku. Can you help me?
Of course I can, Piggy, because
I'm a superhero, I can save the world. I can solve problems, I will stand strong. I'm a superhero each and every
danger, be careful.